So you'll notice some little pulses. Can you feel the little pulses?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Out of 10 for discomfort, give me a little rating. 10 being excruciating.
4.
Okay.
3, 4.
Just take it a little higher. I think you can.
It feels like little electric
pulses.
Pulses, yeah.
That's right. So we do about 2 minutes on each side. When we get up to around the eye area, you can actually feel the twitching, the involuntary twitching. So it's really working deep into the muscle tissue. You can see those little twitches now on your lip. Can you see that? I'll do that again. Okay, so we're working those muscles. And also with that sort of pulsation of the muscle tissue, it's going to help with the lymphatic system too. So you're going to get that lovely lymphatic drainage. It's going to stimulate all of those glands. So if that's too strong, just let me know and I can reduce the energy a little bit.
Turn it up if you want. It just feels like a twitch, an eye twitch.
Yeah. You know, next time if you have no swelling tomorrow and you're feeling comfortable, we can take it up. First treatment, we never take it up too high. We just, you know, see what your skin can do. Now from this angle, you've already got a lift. It's quite
oh yeah.
evident. Okay, so now we move to the other side.
Look at them cheekbones.
Now, it's normal, just like IPL actually, to feel more discomfort or more sensation on the opposing side when you've already had the treatment done. It's just the receptors of the brain telling you that it's responding to the stimuli more so than the first side.
It's true, I can feel it more on this side. It's not uncomfortable.
Setting's the same, but you will always, even with an eyebrow shape, you'll feel more sensation on the second side.
It's certainly not uncomfortable.
No. And we don't have to have this on a high setting for it to be effective. So this will work regardless of the setting. So if you're like me and you're hypersensitive to this sort of technology, I just use a low setting. I still get an amazing result. I'm still very happy with my results.
That's amazing.
It's a subtle facelift. You know, it's not a facelift, obviously, but it's a lift with subtle changes. Swipes here.
It feels like my skin's alive and tingling. Yeah, get rid of that jowly area.
Okay, so that's the step one.
Okay.
Step 2 is now we do the tripolar radio frequency skin tightening. Now this machine is amazing because in the past we would have to stop and start to take the skin's temperature with a little laser gun. Now the technology, we have a design which has the thermometer already inside the handpiece, so it just flashes a red light when it's at clinical endpoint at 40 degrees, so we don't have to stop and start now. So for us as the operators, it makes life so easy because we can do a treatment in less time and have it more evenly effective over the skin. We're not stopping and starting. So we're going to treat your neckline for 6 minutes on each side, maybe a little bit more on the first side. We want to just build that energy to clinical endpoint of 40 degrees.
And I can feel that warm. It feels nice and warm.
It's going to build. And hopefully shortly you'll see a little light on the handpiece flash. Often the first section of the skin takes a little longer to heat up, so there we go. And now we make the circle bigger. So when that light flashes, we're at clinical endpoint at 40 degrees.
Okay.
So there we go.
And it measures it constantly?
Constantly. So it's my job now to just make that circle wider so that eventually the red light will stay on throughout the whole treatment. Good.
My skin looks so good. I can see this is so much defined.
Yep. You'll notice through here, I worked quite heavily through this area because if you're tightening this area, it's going to improve this area.
Yeah.
Because that's where our fall usually is, you know. And everyone's skin looks good laying down. It's when you sit up that I want you to really notice the difference.
So immediately after the treatment, my muscles have been stimulated. So I'm a bit groggy because it was so relaxing. But my neckline, my jawline is amazing. This is, I think, where you age the most, and that's definitely an improvement. My cheekbones are higher. Love. There's going to be another one in a week, and it's a cumulative effect, so it will be even stronger and tighter. So, baby, bring it on. Sessions of deep muscle treatment and radio frequency treatment. It has left my skin so tight and so lifted. I am absolutely stoked with this treatment. So where I can see it mostly is, and you'll see that on the before and after photos, but this has actually lifted. I had a little bit, excuse the pimple, a little bit of filler last year, so that should have worn off. But what it has actually done, it is actually regenerated that filler, so that's just plumped a little bit. I can see it here. That has lifted, because once that lifts, that goes as well. My jawline is tighter. It's a little bit red, but it feels so good. My jawline is a little bit tighter. That has gone a little bit tighter. So I'm stoked, really, really stoked. My skin looks tight and young and so happy. Thanks, Bliss Day Spa. Thank you so much.